Okay, so here we are. Hello, everybody. Welcome to live analysis for Bitcoin, gold, Forex. It's Thursday, and that means thank goodness it's Friday tomorrow. It's Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025. And let's just go ahead and jump over and get right into the charts. And first of all, I want to look at the DXY. The sad state of the US dollar. This is the US dollar compared with 6 major currencies, and it just keeps going lower and lower and lower every day. And you get these, they try to recover it, but it's not sustainable. Any of these retracements, they're not sustainable because the US dollar is losing value, losing strength, getting weaker. And for your information, this price where it is now, this is 98.4 something. This is the same price it was 5 years ago during COVID, if that tells you anything. It's really in bad shape, the US dollar. And during COVID, the US dollar went down even more. So it looks like we're going to see even further weakening of the US dollar for sure. And it's been going down since the beginning of the year. Thank you, Trumpty Dumpty. So let's jump over to Bitcoin right quick before we do gold. And I hope that you took that trade that I recommended to you, 104. That was yesterday, and it was also on Monday. And yesterday again, it went from 104 to 106. Then it fell back down again. You could have taken another trade at 104, and now it's gone down again. It's at 104, $104,539. It's a good place to buy Bitcoin. So we're just consolidating, making a new price structure here, getting ready to go to higher prices. That's my take on Bitcoin. I don't trade Bitcoin, but I just buy on a regular basis without looking at the price. DCA, dollar cost average, as an investment in digital assets for the future. So I know everybody wants to look at gold. What is gold doing? This is a 4-hour chart, by the way. Okay. And gold is still bullish on the day chart. And it's bullish on the 4-hour chart. We'll go to the 1-hour chart. I know it doesn't look bullish. Okay. But this is today, starting here at this line right here where the mouse is. It came down during the Asian Pacific session, but then London got a hold, and boy, the London bulls, they just went berserk. The London bulls just were buying and buying and buying gold, and pushed it all the way up to 3403, 3404. Just went sailing past all the resistance levels and up to 34, but it didn't stay there. It fell back down and then kept coming down. And then we had some news. And that was bad news for the U.S. And so bad news for the U.S., that's the unemployment claims. They were they were more than forecast. So if you have a lot of jobless claims, that's not good for the U.S. economy. And that was bad news for the U.S. economy, and which means, gold is paired with the U.S. dollar. Gold should go up. The dollar is going down. I just showed you the DXY. The dollar is going down, and gold is going down. Now, you make sense out of that. I don't trade the news, okay? I don't recommend you trade the news. Oftentimes we see like this. The news comes out, and then what we're trading goes the opposite direction of what we expect, and it's still going down. So I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you where is it going to, how low will it go? How low can it go? It can go as low as it wants to. Just yesterday, it was way down here at, what's that, 33.43, 33.42, right in here, just yesterday. It hasn't gone that low today. Today, the low was 33.60. All right, but it's headed back down there. We have support at 33.67. That's this yellow line, and it's headed there now. Oh boy, is it going. Let's go back to the smaller time frame. Let's go to the 5-minute. Yeah, look at the 5-minute. And right here is where the news came out. The news came out here, and it just kind of didn't do very much. Or was it this candle here? Yeah, this candle here. The news came out, and as we expect, gold started to go up for 5 minutes, and then gold turned around and just sank like a brick, and it just keeps going down. Now, I hope you saw this pullback here. I hope you were not buying. This is okay for scalping, but it's no good for day trading. If you were scalping and you started to buy in here, I hope you got out here because we're going down again. And look, it's almost getting to that support level of 33.67. It looks like it's going to just crash right through it. That has been our support level all day long, and it looks like it's just going to crash right through it. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. So if you're a day trader, you can't be a swing trader with this kind of stuff. Okay, impossible. But if you're a day trader and you watch the London market, you could have done very well and then got out and, try and trade this nonsense. Gold should be going up, but it's going down. So it doesn't make any sense, okay? Simple as that. I don't trade the news. I don't even like trading the US market, but I trade the Asian Pacific market and sometimes the London market. But this is the kind of stuff you get with the US market. A lot of volatility, a lot of stuff going the opposite direction of what we expect it should do. So we're already bounced off of this support level, 33.67. Now, will it go any lower? Well, anything is possible. The next support level is, let me just reset the chart. The next support level is 33.43, 33.49, right down here. But I think this is as low as we will go today in the U.S. session. But I could be wrong. I mean, gold can keep going down further for sure. If you want to buy now, okay, you can buy now, but put your stop loss below the support level here. Put your stop loss at about 33.64, 33.63. Put your stop loss below the support level, because that might be as low as we go today in the U.S. session. It's now gone after 9 o'clock. The Wall Street has been open for 35 minutes. The U.S. market's been open for a couple of hours, and gold should be going up. And I think that we will likely see gold is still bullish on the day chart, the 4-hour chart, although it doesn't look bullish right now. Okay, but on the long-term charts, gold is bullish. So if you want to buy right now, actually when it hit that support, you could have taken a buy order. Just put your stop loss. Be sure and use a stop loss. Protect your capital. That's most important. Don't just think that, oh, well, it comes down here. Oh, it should come back. Don't ever trade like that. Take your trade, use a stop loss, and protect your capital. Okay, now it's going back up. Now we're at 33.73 after getting all the way down to 33.67, our support level there. It's holding up. The support is holding. Good for that. Now maybe gold will start to go back up. And let's look at the DXY. Look at the DXY again just for a minute. DXY is coming up. Isn't that strange? Gold is going up and the DXY is going up. Doesn't make any sense whatsoever. That's why I don't like to trade the US session now. Oh, it's really making a move up. Look at the 15-minute chart. Yeah, 15-minute chart, getting a move up here. But whether that's sustainable or not, we don't know. But what we know is we have support at 33.67. So if you want to buy, just put your stop loss below that. Okay, and your take profit would be the first one here is 33.90 right there, and then 34.08 up here. We might get up to 3,400 again. It got up there today, 34.02, 34.03. So it could easily go back up there during the US session. Okay, there's the 1-hour chart. Good for scalpers, not really good for day traders. Good for day traders if you're really trading the London market or only trading the US market. Okay, guys, that's it from me. I hope that this helps you a little bit. And leave a comment below this. Let me know what you're trading and how it's going with you. And have a good trading session in this U.S. session on Thursday, wherever you are in the world. Don't forget, tomorrow is the first Friday of the month, and we have the non-farm payrolls every first Friday of the month, and that's tomorrow. So I'll be here again tomorrow. Thank goodness it's Friday tomorrow. And of course, if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell so you'll be notified every time I make one of these videos, which is every day, Monday to Friday. But most importantly, I make my weekly gold and major U.S. pairs analysis, and I share my pending orders with you in that video every Sunday. So be sure and subscribe to the channel. Okay, thanks again for being here, and I'll see you again same time tomorrow.